I still cry. In my mind, I don't know why. You were my dream, my darling. Now there's nothing left of you. I still feel you in my heart, but you're gone, we fell apart. My mind is breaking into pieces. Thoughts are falling in the dark. Every moment feels so heavy, like I'm lost without your heart. I remember how you held me, now it feels so far away. All the love we built together, slowly fading day by day. You were my darling, now you're gone, crossed every line. I still call your name, I still cry. In my mind, I don't know why. I can feel you slowly leaving, like a shadow in the air. You were everything I believed in, now there's nothing left to share. Now you're drifting far away, like a dream I can't hold on to, gone like words I couldn't say. Never thought you would hurt me, I never thought you would go. We had something real and broken, now I'm drowning all alone. You didn't just leave me behind, you left everything we made. Now I'm standing in the silence, watching memories slowly fade. In my mind, I don't know why. You were my dream, my darling. Now there's nothing left of you. I still feel you in my heart, but you're gone, we fell apart.